Oh no, the rain stopped and the car is drying up. Good afternoon. We're gonna head out for a bit for brunch.
Yes.
Because at the same time it's raining outside, so hopefully we can finally clean the car. And then we're gonna come back and do our usual thing. Yeah, let's go. Oh no. It's stuck.
Yeah, here. Yeah, all good.
I don't know if you can see it, but all the way to the end it's so foggy.
The fog is so bad, man. Almost zero visibility because of how it keeps fogging up the glass. Crazy.
What happened to the sign?
Good question.
Look at my Prince Charming. Yes. Medium double. And breakfast is only available in the morning.
Bacon chicken ranch wrap or chicken bacon ranch wrap.
Yeah.
Yeah. Donut.
Fancy donut.
I should have just asked him to put it on a wrapper instead of a box.
Yeah, it's actually hard to eat like this.
Okay. Where we're off to, we're done. Loblaws?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go to Loblaws, walk around a bit. That's our hobby now. Walking around supermarkets. There's a car
Next
to us here at Tim Hortons. And he left his passenger side window open. And the thing is, it's raining, so
GG.
that car's GG.
GG seats.
Hope it's not leather though, because it's gonna crack.
I don't know.
Or even if it is leather, if it's the faux leather type, it'll still crack.
Yeah, it will crack.
Or if it's the cloth type, it'll soak, then you'll have mold,
Oh god.
which is the worst kind.
It's kind of nice sitting in the car
Sorry.
with the rain.
With the sunroof on. This one nice. I like this one.
Yeah.
I want to stick a picture of a face. Looking at it. Maybe that's why there's no more sign for the Starbucks as well.
The Starbucks is dead.
Long live Tim Hortons. They chose the wrong place to stake their territory.
In the most sticker. Oh, Starbucks is still here. Hey, what's up with all the Japanese snacks?
Hanami.
Sticker book. Nice. Oh. Candy, 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 candy.
Which one's a good one?
I don't know.
I'll tell you.
The green
Frogs.
frogs. Which one?
Gummy bears. It's a classic.
The big bread. They are running out of ink.
I will try.
No. Owner.
Looks like a proper Nike.
So, but you can easily like
Zip in and out.
Zip in and
That's good actually. Do they have a girl version of it? Oh, they do.
yeah.
This looks pretty good. I like this blue.
Cool, huh?
Would it fit me? What's the CM?
I'll help you out.
What's the CM?
I want this for adults, man.
Do you want a shark on your feet?
Yes. Ewok.
I'm forever scarred by popcorn chicken.
Yeah. Not popcorn chicken, it's
No freaking way. Bear. $11.
do you really need a huge one?
I don't know. I'm just saying, like, really,
Robot chicken.
a robot chicken.
But it's good to have that.
When they put it on the display, I thought that book was free.
It's a promotional stuff.
It's actually $5 if you want to get one. Oh, I kind of like these towels. Where's the tamago one? I like the tamago.
Around here. Let me see. Pattern.
The shark looks cute too. Found the tamago.
Egg.
I think the shark one would look cute too. Shark. This one. Shark.
Chart.
The cheetah shark. Oh yeah, this is so cute.
It's big enough. Looking at the toy section over here, they have cheaper Lego sets for the Animal Crossing. It even went even lower now. We were looking at this one before, and now it's just like 56. Pretty cool. This is the one that, like, I guess it's a bigger version of what we built, minus the Dementors too. Looks pretty cool. Interesting. There are quite a few things that are cheaper here. So Bullen has to update the sheet.
That's like for sale at the home.
Yeah, not the regular pricing.
Yes.
Okay, buying the essentials: chips, toilet paper, and a Lego set.
That's not essential.
Mentality essentials.
Got some cheap. Let's head out. It's still raining.
No more na. No more rain.
It stopped. I gotta go back before the car dries out. Let's go. Oh no, the rain stopped and the car is drying up. We're trying to use the thing so that we can clean it quickly. The part that I want to wipe most is this. It's been dirty. There we go. Man, it dried quick. Oh, there's a black line. He is too dry. So we're thinking we should just go to a park and see if we can get some water because we have a bucket
In the back.
in the back.
Beep, beep.
Okay. We went to a park nearby to see if we can get some water from here. In the end, we got the wrong memory of parks in Canada has faucets.
Or even drinking fountains.
Because in Japan, they all have. But in Canada, apparently, it's not.
They don't.
We're home. I'm gonna fill the water here. Dirty the water is.
Okay.
Stop recording. Stop recording. He's shiny now.
He's smashing or that?
Yeah.
Dusting with the gyro ball a little bit. This was having problems earlier. And then I fixed it. So, oh good. Oh. Kinda dies off here and there. But dang. There we go. Ito, time now is 9:18. And gonna be starting dinner a little bit late because we also ate at a weird time, so Bolin has tasked me to cook the spinach, but I'm gonna be cooking it in a small batch today instead of like storing it in a big one. And then also I'm gonna heat up the rice, and yeah. Okay, I've done cooking the spinach, and then I am just gonna be heating the rice that we made yesterday, which is the mushroom and salmon rice. There's already one on the microwave over there, so that's our dinner for tonight. Just watching some Evangelion after having dinner, and I'm making hot chocolate for Bolin, and I'm just pause this. Hot chocolate, hot chocolate, hot chocolate. Hopefully this is okay for her. I add a bit of milk. And it's the end of Bolin's stream. And now I'm just watching this. I don't know, I just turned it on TV and it's Japanese. I think it's Devilman, because that's what I saw on the title. But I had no idea who these guys are.
Well, that's it from us. Hope you enjoyed our car wash vlog. We'll see you in the next one. Subscribe if you haven't. Bye.